So here I am adding primer to my eyelids before I apply my eyeshadow. And by the way, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like if you enjoy. So I think here I'm just using a regular Maybelline eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to be applying the Carli Bybel eyeshadow palette that I got not too long ago. I'm only going to be using about three shades altogether. So I'm just applying the light shade there to the far left, the middle one, and I'm going to be applying that all over my eyelid. I'm making sure I'm blending it out. Okay, next I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna apply a bit of a darker shade. Those two colors right there, I'm gonna blend them. And I'm going to add them to my crease. So I'm just putting together like a kind of like an everyday look. This is what I normally do for my eyeshadows. I usually put like light colors because my eyes are like deep set in they're deep set eyes, and I prefer to put like lighter colors on my eyelid and then like darker shades to the on the crease and to the like the outer V. So I'm just making sure to blend that out like nicely. I'm putting a little bit down on my lower eye lid so you can kind of see the darkness and the contrast. The mirror on my Carli Bybel eyeshadow palette broke, but I still am using it. As you can see, I can kind of like see through the cracks. And I'm just applying that final color on my upper on the upper lid, like on the upper, but as you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus Concealer. I got Golden Neutral and Sand. But yeah, my son, my 2-year-old, scratched my face, like my cheek. So now it's healed, but it's left like a dark mark. So I'm trying to cover that up. So I'm going to be putting most of the product there, like by my cheek area. Kind of under my eye, and I'm going to be blending that out. And I really do like this foundation. It's really nice. Before I only had the 18 sand, and I would only use that, but I did want like a lighter shade, so I'm gonna be mixing, that's why I'm mixing those two, and I think like it comes out really, really nice. Like after I finish everything and apply my powder, like I know right now it looks like a little bit light, but it all comes together at the end. And it's winter now, so probably near the summertime I'll be using more of the 18 or the sand again, but for now this is what's working for me. And as you can see, it does cover up, it's full coverage, so it is covering my mark up pretty good, and all my other blemishes. So that's like a flat tip, like it has a flat tip brush, and I'm just like trying to rub. Now I'm rubbing it in, but like in the area that I really wanted to cover up on my cheek, I was just like pat it in, like I was just stipling it in. But like on my forehead and everywhere else, I kind of just wanted to be a little bit more sheer, but where I wanted the most coverage, I was stipling it in. So I'm really happy with that. And trust me, I was like trying to figure out, oh my gosh, how am I going to cover this up? You know, like if I do want to go out or like, you know, social events, and this is like a really great coverage, and it looks really nice. Like it looks really nice. So I'm just making sure I blend out everything nicely. And yeah, after while I was watching this, I forgot to blend out like under my lip, but it was so weird because I guess after I applied the powder and everything, you couldn't even tell. Or maybe I started blending it off camera, I'm not sure, because when I was looking at myself in the mirror after, I was like, I couldn't see any like spot there. But you live and you learn. So yeah, make sure you blend everything out properly. Yeah, I don't think it was showing up, but on camera it is showing up. But still, blend, 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 girls and boys. So now I'm going to be using the Dermablend translucent powder, pressed powder, and I'm just going to get a powder puff, and I'm just rubbing that in, making sure I get a good amount, and then I'm going to tap that in under my eyes, and on my T-zone I'm going to be applying that, and then I'm going to use a different one for the rest of my face. But this is a really good one, Dermablend translucent powder, pressed powder. It's a setting powder, so that's what I'm setting with. And I only just got it recently. It's probably like my first or second time trying it, like for real, and I really did like it. And I'm just pressing it in, like tapping it in, not rubbing it. Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Cover FX blotting powder, but it's really, really good. You can use it to set the face, and that one has like you saw, like a color to it, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love this. Again, I just got this recently, and it is buttery and silky and just beautiful. It goes on nicely, and I got it in the color medium, so I'm using that, and I'm just kind of going and making sure that it blends together nicely with a light hand. So it just pulls everything together. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love this setting powder. I use it as a setting powder. Okay, so now I'm going to be contouring my face with this is like a powder that I got from a local beauty supply store like a long time ago, but I think it has like it's like a brown, and I really like the shade of it, so I'm just going to be using that with a brush, and yeah, just on my forehead, under my, like by my jawline, and on the corners, where you would normally, and then I'm going to put some on my nose. Yeah, and I definitely like made sure to blend that out properly with a light hand, you know, I'm not going like rough, because I don't want to like dislocate my my foundation. But yeah, just lightly I did that lightly. So now I'm gonna contour my nose. I think that's what I did here. Same powder. Yeah, I'm not trying to do anything other than add back the definition. Just want to add back the natural definition of my nose, the natural contour. But of course you can shape it if you want to alter the shape. Moving on to highlight. This is the Becca highlighter. I think it's in golden. I'm not sure. I'd have to double check. I'll try and put all the products I use down below in the description box. But yeah, I'm putting that by my Cupid's bow, my nose, and obviously on the higher points of my cheekbones. So yeah, don't mind my edges. I didn't do my hair. I didn't brush it yet or anything. But yeah, that's my natural hair, so that's just how it is. I'm probably gonna get some new braids probably in the next couple of weeks. I've had this in for about a month and a half, so probably in another couple of weeks I'll get another braid, some kind of single braids. Okay. So yeah, I'm just taking some of the powder off of my eyebrows because some probably got on there, some foundation got on there. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of eyebrow pencil. Not too much because my eyebrows are already kind of like are full, but I just still want to just put some in just some of the like areas that don't have as much fullness. So I'm gonna do that now. Some clear mascara to set. I'm actually not going to be putting any mascara or eyeliner today, but feel free to do so. So I'm going to be putting on some red lipstick. It has a bit of sparkly in it, like some shimmer shine in there. And it's not too pigmented, but it's like in between, so it's kind of like an everyday daytime type of look. I don't want to go like too heavy. And yeah, I just want to use my lip brush to make sure like I outline my lip properly. The details count a lot, so I just want to make sure I have it on neatly. I think I'm almost done. Sort of like natural type of look. Not too much happening, but just enough to look nice. So here I'm just letting my hair down, and I really want to let you guys see the finished look. So I'm going to be zooming in or coming in close so y'all can see the final outcome. So these products really work well, and please subscribe to my channel because I will be doing more makeup looks. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. my video